So now we're back with a new video, and in this one we are going to be doing some validation. So I played like a little bit with the bug to see what's going on, if we're doing something wrong with the comments and all of that, and we actually have a few validations that we are going to be taking care of. Alright, so basically we've selected the comments, we've created our own comments. Now if we want to go ahead, if just log in with any email that you have and go to any post that you have down there and actually try to go ahead and just post a comment right away. You can see that we actually can still post a comment despite the fact that we don't have anything in our input down here, which is just a disaster. Okay, so basically the comment, everything is actually executing aside from the comment down here, which there is no comment actually, right? So there is no data, so this shouldn't be happening. All right, so basically we want to take care of this. We want, when the user doesn't enter any data in the text area, we wanna send him a message and hey, tell him, hey, go ahead and insert something so we can actually, and write something so we can actually insert it into our database. And we are going to be also doing a validation for the same box when we're logged out. When we're logged out, we don't even want to show this box. We want to tell the user, or even the button, we want to tell the user that you need to log in or to create a new account so you can actually go ahead and insert your own comments, because we already have decisions and we use decisions down here. You know, we use decisions so we can actually where is our own decisions? Yeah, decisions is down here. We use decisions to insert, so it will trigger an error, so we want to avoid this and tell him go ahead and log in. And maybe you'll have a few things to do on the way, but those two are the first two that we are going to be dealing with. Maybe when some post doesn't even have any comments, we are going to tell him to insert some kind of comment. All right, so let's go ahead and take care of the first thing down here. And for the first thing, we are going to be doing a little check. Maybe we'll go down here and we will go if post comment is equal to nothing. You want to go ahead and echo out a message, but we are gonna take all of this and put it down here and just let it in the else block down over here. So maybe we'll go for this echo out dev class alert danger. I'm guessing that's it. Maybe text white, I don't know, maybe that's fine. So basically we're gonna tell him insert something in the box. So we're not going to be actually echoing this out. I'm going to show you there's a little trick that we're going to be doing down here, and it's not the best solution for this, but you know, it's practical. So if we actually save all of this, go ahead down here, refresh this, and if we go ahead and post, you can see that we're getting our own alert down here, which looks pretty ugly if you think about it. So we don't actually want to trigger this one. We need to go ahead down here and we need to go display none, which is just, you know, a bootstrap class. So we don't want to show this one. Now if we go down over here, we're gonna do a little trick for this, and maybe we'll go over here and go PHP if is set submit and post comment is equal to nothing. We want to go ahead and trigger some kind of alert, maybe div class bg danger alert danger text white, maybe down here enter, write a comment first, div, and we will close this and you might say, why did we do the if down there? Well, actually, if we did not do it, the one that's down here, it will not work. Okay, so basically we are gonna do both of them at the same time, and the first one we were not displaying anything, and we are displaying this one we are displaying. No, it's not over here. Yeah, we're displaying this message down here, because like the first one, it will not if it showed up, it will show up like this, but this one will suit our own purpose, okay, better. So if we save all of this, anyway, this is like a weird solution, but this is how it will work. So if we actually post something, you can see that there is nothing that's showing up here, despite the fact, you know, that the if shows up. But if we go down here, you can say it says write a comment down here, and it displays just right above the comments. So if we actually go down here and let's refresh, you can see that it's not displaying any comment right now. So we can actually, if we delete this, now refresh this all over again, let's go to another post, and let's try to insert something without actually typing anything in. You can see that write a comment first. You can see it's not inserting anything. So basically, if I remove this whole thing down here, it will not insert anything, but still it will not show any image, so the user wouldn't know what's going on. But you know, with this one down here, it's like it will show some kind of image. Excuse me, I'm losing my voice. So it will show some kind of image down here. Okay, so this will not work unless we have the one that's above. All right, so I'm guessing we're done for this one, and now we can go ahead and just log out. If we go to a post, now we can see that we still have our own box down here. We want to be like we want to hide this and hide the button down here. We want to hide this whole form, so when actually the user tries to go ahead and type any kind of comments, you can see that we're actually getting some kind of error, which of course isn't what we need down here. So if we go at like above the form right away, maybe we'll like get rid of all of this. We don't need this now. This was like a static comment. So if we go actually for form, if we go above the form right away and go f s set like the username, and you can see if we actually go ahead to auth login, you can see that we're getting this username down here. So if this is set, we're actually gonna leave the form. If not, we're gonna go ahead and display some kind of message. So we're gonna go PHP else. Well, actually, yeah, that's fine. So we're gonna need this one, maybe the alert that we already did, and I'm gonna go ahead and display this. Now we need to close it in. So let's go ahead and check this out. Log in to comment, login or register. So if we actually go ahead and refresh, you can see that down here we're getting login or register to comment, which is actually neat. So let's go ahead and check another post, this post down here. So both of them now, I'm guessing that both of them work. Yeah, so this was 14, post 3. Yeah, they are basically the same. Let's log out once more, just real quick, so we can see if something is wrong or not. So yeah, we can see our form down here, and we can still post our own comments. So yeah, we still have time. So basically I want to go ahead for now, when like let's say some kind of post doesn't even have comments, I want to like display some kind of message and tell him to post a comment and to be the first comment for this post. So basically I want to go ahead, maybe I will like deactivate this post, which was the ID 17 down here. All right, so if we actually go ahead, you can see I don't want it to look like this. I want to display some kind of message down here, so this will look way nicer. So if I actually go ahead, let me go where, yeah, maybe right over here, like right above the for each. If I go ahead, PHP f count, which will count like the number of results that's coming from all comments. And so now if it gives us a result that's bigger than a 0, that means that we actually have results. So we are gonna leave our own comments, like what we're doing down here. All right, so basically if it's giving us any results, we are gonna leave those results, because now it's bigger than 0. And if it's not, we are gonna go PHP else. We want to say go ahead and give it a div p class text center, and hey, we're gonna tell him no comments for this post, be the first comment. And we need to close this. Let's close now the if statement. So I hope that you're not confused. I know this is like tough work, but you know, you have gone this far to the course. I'm actually proud of you. So basically, if I go ahead and refresh this, you can see that down here it says no comments for this post, be the first comment. So just a little message down here for this one. Now if I go ahead and activate this comment, so there will actually be comments for this one, and I refresh, you can see that down here we have now our own comments. So basically it's pretty simple. You gotta use the count function, which counts the number of results inside something down here that you give it inside of an array or something, and we made sure that we already have results, which because it gives away, or it gives you a number. So this number is, if it's bigger than 0, then we have results. Now we are gonna echo out our own results, and if not, we are gonna display a little message down over here. So I hope that you guys like this little validation thing. I know that I know that you guys are working hard, and I appreciate it if you're following me along through this whole course, and I'll see you in the next videos.